Ansaroud Steppe village, an ancient village in Osku County, Tabriz, Iran. Today is the Mohammadi Flower Festival in Osku, also in Ansaroud Steppe village. Today villagers are used to distill water out of Mohammadi flower or damask flower. Please follow us to Ansaroud Steppe village. Follow us to the village. Gulab Giri Festival or Rosewater Festival is an event which takes place in Tabriz, Osku County, such as Ansaroud village, also Majarshin village, Gondarf and Kandoban village. People are here, tourists, also travelers attending in this arena in order to celebrate the harvesting of damask roses.
Çeşmeler, hey başıza canlar dolanır. Ay dolanır, dolanır, hey çöldese canlar dolanır, hey. El havası behbeh, kal havası behbeh, kal havası behbeh. Kaşıdı, hey, onu düzen naşıdı. Oradan bizi seyran gelir, atanı yadı garı. Bir havası, senemsin, salaylasın ezdeleri. Var olsun gelen konağı.
We are going to show you the process of extracting rose waters from these Damascus flowers here. First and foremost, we are putting all of the flowers in the pot, and after that we are going to pour water above them all. In the process of making rose water, we have different processes. The first one is we are just adding water to the damask flower. But the other one is that we are adding rose water to the damask flowers in order to extract more pure rose waters, and also more aromatic damask flowers will be extracted out of this process. The rose waters will be more pure, also regarding the quality, it is more pure and better than other rose waters. We are putting cover out of the above part of this pot in order to somehow fix the openings. And after that, we are pouring cold water for this part. After lighting up the oven, the steam after the burning of the flour will be somehow extracted, and the extraction will be go out to the other part. After the boiling process, now we are coming to the condensation process, in which the steamed drops of rose water are coming into this gallon, and after the gallon is filled, the gallon will be packaged and will be sent to the market and sell to the market. We are here at Eftekhari workshop, rose water workshop, in which this clip is produced. Thanks for Mr. Eftekhari, and we are grateful for his appreciation and cooperativeness. Thank you. Takes place also in Osku County, Osku County.